I woke up at like 5, kind of realized like, oh, I'm gonna go do something scary in a bit. Your heart kind of jumps up a bit.
Yeah, we're just gonna start the week off with some adrenaline and hopefully it kicks off the week of, yeah, being a little bit scared.
Gotta get them tight, don't want them falling off. That was a really good idea until now. Now we're scared.
Door open and I just turn around and Jayden's face is just like, just petrified.
It takes a little bit to comprehend that you're actually about to jump out of it.
Yeah, so sick. It's nice how, like, cause on the bungee you gotta jump yourself, but these guys, they just throw you out of there. Like if I had to jump out of there, my God. I'd be like comfortable for like a minute and then I'd be like, oh my God, this is so gnarly, and then I'd be like comfortable for another minute.
The scariest part's when you are in control and they give you the handles to kind of go up and down and turn and do the parachute yourself. Very cool. Cool to see the tropics from above.
I was just like trying to like gulp in air and not like leave my mouth open. If you're gonna do it anywhere, I think Cairns is a pretty beautiful spot to do it.